Welcome to FK iPhone. Today we are checking out the Motorola Edge 50 Pro, a flagship contender that aims to bring premium features at a competitive price. Let us break down what this device has to offer. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro is powered by the latest Snapdragon chipset, delivering smooth performance for gaming, multitasking, and everyday use. Paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage, this phone is built to handle anything you throw at it. The software experience is clean and near stock Android with some useful Moto customizations to enhance usability. On the display front, the Edge 50 Pro features a stunning 6.7-inch OLED panel with a high refresh rate. The colors are vibrant, the contrast is deep, and the peak brightness ensures visibility even under direct sunlight. The curved edges add a premium feel, making interactions smooth and immersive. The camera setup is another highlight. The primary sensor boasts high megapixels with optical image stabilization for crisp and detailed shots. The ultra-wide lens captures more in a single frame, while the telephoto lens offers zoom without loss of quality. Night mode has been improved, providing better low-light photography. The front camera is also optimized for high-resolution selfies and clear video calls. The design of the Motorola Edge 50 Pro screams sophistication. The slim profile, glass back, and aluminum frame give it a premium look and feel. The phone comes in a range of modern colors with a matte finish that resists fingerprints. It is also rated for water and dust resistance, making it durable for everyday use. Battery life is impressive with a large capacity that easily lasts a full day on heavy use. The phone supports ultra-fast charging, allowing you to power up within minutes. Wireless charging is also included for added convenience. When it comes to audio, the stereo speakers provide loud and clear sound with Dolby Atmos support. The in-display fingerprint sensor is fast and accurate, while Face Unlock adds an extra layer of convenience. In conclusion, the Motorola Edge 50 Pro is a strong competitor in the flagship space, offering a stunning display, powerful performance, impressive cameras, and fast charging. If you are looking for a premium Android experience without breaking the bank, this phone is definitely worth considering. Let me know what you think about the Edge 50 Pro in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next one. This script covers all key aspects of the Motorola Edge 50 Pro while keeping the tone engaging for your audience. Let me know if you need any tweaks.